Question number 2 of the PhilNITS FE afternoon portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, a bus company operates buses between two cities. The standard ticket price is $20 and the discount ticket price for passenger age 10 and under or age 60 and over is $10. Additionally, registered members of all ages always get the ticket at the discount price. This part about the function, ticket price, receiving the argument age, a non-negative integer value, and this other function which is member. And it says here a boolean indicating that the passenger is a member if the value is true. I think these are the functions that we will encounter in the program. But first, let's see if we can understand really what's happening here. I think the two main distinctions that we need to take note of are whether the person riding the bus has to pay the discounted ticket price or the standard ticket price. And we do have here the conditions. If the passenger is age 10 and under or aged 60 and over, then we pay only $10. In addition, if the member the passenger is a registered member, then the person would also get a discounted price. So given that idea, let's look into the program and also the answer group. Okay, so the program, we have the function called ticket price, and we need to put in the correct condition so that we will get the discounted price. 10 would be the discounted price, and otherwise it will be 20, which is the standard ticket price that the passenger is supposed to pay. And I think when I was answering this, I did commit the mistake of choosing letter A instead of letter D. I think it was also because I felt that after question number 1, which was pretty easy, I think, this one I thought that I didn't want to put in so much more of my time thinking about and checking again whether my answer was correct or not. And so I think that if I really put in more time instead of going quickly to the next question and not returning to this part to review again, maybe I would have gotten the correct answer, which is D. But the idea here is that if you ask someone, when does the passenger get a discount? And you'd say if he's under 11 years old, so that means age 10 and under. And if he's 60 and up, and if he's a member, right? So if that's your way of thinking too, then you quickly choose A, right? But in this case, if we are to examine it, really the correct answer would be D, because if you are 8 years old, then you are not greater than or equal to 60, right? Because you're 8 years old. So what that means is if you're 8 years old, then you should pay the discounted price, and that means that you are not over or greater than or equal to 60 years old. So in that sense, we choose or instead of and. Now, for the last part where we got the is member, then whether or not the passenger is 10 years old or under, or 6 years old and up, if he or she is a member, then that person would get a discount, right? So we have here the or. But if it were and, then that would mean that the person, the passenger, has to be a member and has to be greater than or equal to 60. And if we have and here also, less than or equal to 10, which is something that should not occur in normal cases. And so the correct answer would be letter D.